side of the Beehive Loop Trail, part of the Bull Trail, down the stairs. I guess if you came up this way, you'd be coming up a lot of stairs, but if you just want to do that to see. Yeah, you can't go down the Beehive. That's crazy. I mean, I guess you can, but I wouldn't do it. Ooh. I'm not sure if I'd rather have the slope or the stairs. I think the stairs are harder on my knees. Old people problems. I think that was the beech. The beech and the birch, they look a lot alike. I think the birch is more, I don't want to say fuzzier or whatever, more scaly, I guess, I would say. And then again, I could be totally wrong. It could be, who knows what, I don't know. So I think this is a birch tree.
Yeah, that's a birch.
And I think the other one's the beech tree, I think.
You got this one here different, and that one's smooth.
That one might be some sort of maple tree.
Maybe so.
Don't carve in the trees.
Look at us learning the trees now.
Yeah, what I don't know I make up, so. Yeah. They're educated guesses.
Which makes me think a conversation we had the other day. You asked a question and I answered and I was like, is that right? I said, I don't know. I'm just going to guess and you just go on.
Crazy. Not done, but I see the road. I see the road. Yeah, it's sweating. Yeah. Well, no, when it started out, I thought, well, it might rain. It might, be too windy. But it's gotten nicer. I hope he's did something back there instead of not sat there the whole time. Yeah. Gotcha. You getting a call?
Yep.
Oh, cell phones are gross. We made it back.